Thank you for your purchase from Ideal Cabinets. In this video, you will learn how to assemble our base cabinet. To assemble this cabinet, you will need the following tools and supplies: a power drill with a Phillips head bit, a rubber mallet, a nail gun. While a pneumatic nail gun will make the job easier, you could also use a hammer with 2D finish nails. To get started, place the plastic drawer adjusters into holes on the back of the cabinet, pushing straight down and then screwing them into place. Set that piece to the side and find the cabinet doors. Place them side by side with the holes facing out. Insert the door hinges into the holes with the hinges facing away from the center, screwing them into place. On the cabinet doors, attach the rubber bumpers to each corner of the side with the door hinges. Grab the cabinet frame with the grooves facing away from the cabinet doors. Screw in the frame to the cabinet door hinges. Lay the frame down and screw in the opposite side door frame hinges. Slide the sides of the cabinet into the dovetail grooves of the frame. Secure in place using the metal brackets on both sides. Slide the bottom of the cabinet into channels on the sides in front of the frame. Now, slide in the back toe kick and nail into place. Then, screw plastic brackets into pre-drilled holes on the front toe kick. Slide the toe kick into the front of the cabinet and secure to the cabinet sides using plastic brackets and provided screws. Snap in plastic bracket cover. Take the back piece of the cabinet that has the plastic drawer adjusters and slide it into place with the drawer adjusters facing inside the cabinet. Secure the back into place using the metal frame brackets and provided screws. Slide the drawer glides into plastic drawer adjusters and screw into place. You will do this 4 times, 2 for each cabinet. Onto the drawer assembly. Place the drawer front face down on the table. Take one side drawer and use a rubber mallet to tap the dado joints together, making sure the channels on the inside of the drawer line up. Slide the bottom of the drawer into the grooves, ensuring the bottom is fit into the channel on the drawer front. Place the back of the drawer onto the drawer bottom, ensuring the bottom slides into the channel. Tap each side with a rubber mallet so the dado joints are tight. Place the plastic drawer mounts onto the bottom of the cabinet and screw into place. Then stick on the plastic bumpers. Repeat for the drawer on the other side. Pull the drawer glides out to fully extend. Set the drawers on the gliders and place them into the mounts on the bottom of the drawer. Pull the drawer glides toward you at the same time until both sides click. Last, secure the plastic shelf holders inside the cabinet. Place the shelf on top of the holders and hit the shelf down until you hear a click. Now, your base cabinet is fully assembled. Thank you for purchasing from Ideal Cabinets.